Ashira Nelson from SavvyGirlMoney.com. I'm live from my home office. I don't think I show you guys my office enough. I have the cutest little setup here. Sometimes I'm so focused in on myself and sitting down at my desk, but this video, I want to do it standing up, and I want to talk about one of my favorite topics, which is budgeting. So I created my December budget, and I want to give you tips on creating your December budget and budgeting for 2020. I can't believe it's going to be a new decade soon. That is crazy. How do we get here so fast? I feel like I was just planning for 2019 and just so excited to get another year started and growing Savvy Girl Money. So I really want to share with you guys how I kind of approach my budgeting style. So I use my budgeting sheets from SavvyGirlMoney.com, which I will definitely link. So click the link to grab you a copy. It is a PDF download. If you only want the budgeting sheets and not the extra ones, only print page 6 of the PDF. So how I like to approach my budget is to first write down my goal for the month. Yes, I love to do everything with a goal. If you don't have a goal, you're kind of all over the place. So my goal for the month of December is to go into every event with a budget. A lot is going on in December. I have my birthday, I'm hosting Christmas dinner, New Year's Eve party, all of that, my niece's birthday, so much. And I want to make sure I create a budget for everything in advance and stick to it. That's the only way I can achieve my financial goals, if I go into everything with a budget. This way, I can still save and aggressively pay down debt. I'm not stretching myself too thin, so I'll be good. Once I have my goals wrote down, I like to think of what large events that is happening this month that is not normal, or what seasonal things. So like I just said, I have my birthday, my niece's birthday, Christmas, and I have New Year's Eve. All 4 things I need to make sure I include in my budget. And once you download the budgeting sheet, you'll better understand because it kind of take you section by section. So once I have my special events wrote up, I go right into estimating my income for the month. I estimate my income from my 9-to-5 job, my side hustles, what I can make from just doing odd things like selling things. Whatever I can do to make extra money, I plan to do it, and I budget for that. That way, I'm always working towards a goal, even with my side hustle in mind. Next up, I estimate my savings. I want you guys to promise me you will not create another budget going forward without including savings. I see this from a lot of clients, and I don't want to see it anymore. We have to budget for our savings. And I don't care if it's only $25 a paycheck. You need to include a savings in your budget. And last but not least, you want to estimate your expenses. Write down all of your expenses. So your mortgage, your utility, if not, you don't have a mortgage or rent, that's cool. Your utilities, your personal care, Christmas shopping. I have my kids. I even budget for grocery, rent, entertainment. Sometimes I budget for Savvy Girl Money. If I plan to have expenses from Savvy Girl Money, I have to budget for those things. And then once you have your income and your savings and your expenses, you want to make sure that equals 0. Because I like to plan for all of my money for the month. So your income minus your savings minus your expenses should equal 0. So that's how Savvy Girl Money likes to budget for the month. If you have any questions, leave me a comment down below right after you subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you have further questions, hit me up on Instagram and make sure you follow me there too. See you guys again soon, and thanks for following.